Hi guys, how are you? Hope you will be fine. So today in this video tutorial, I am going to show you how you can install KODI on your Amazon Firestick device. So if you own a Fire TV stick, you may hear the name KODI before, as it is the best app to stream movies, documentaries, TV shows, sports and almost every sort of entertainment. However, if you have not downloaded it yet, then make sure to stay with this tutorial and I am going to show you how you can install KODI on Firestick with complete instructions. This same guide will also work for Firestick 4K, Fire TV, Firestick Lite and Fire TV Cube. Before we start the installation steps, let's start with a brief introduction. KODI is the open source media center program that is used to run any type of media including movies, music, dramas, TV shows and many more. Before we process to installation section, we have to first jailbreak Firestick. Without this, we not able to install any third-party application on this Amazon Fire TV device. So let's start jailbreak Firestick device first. So press remote home button for 3 seconds and here you will find 4 options. So you have to click on settings, move forward and then select my Fire TV. Scroll down and then select developer option. Now here scroll down apps from unknown source and press remote select button. A message will appear on your screen, so select turn it on. Now here as you can see apps from unknown source has been enabled. It means jailbroken Fire TV successfully and now we can install any third party apps that we want. Now we need to install downloader app which is used to download third party application on Firestick. Through downloader we install KODI on Firestick. So click on search icon above the menu and type here downloader. And here you will see orange color downloader icon, so click on. Now press download button. The downloader app will start downloading automatically. When app downloaded, click on open to launch. First time downloader will ask permission from your device, so just click on the allow button and click on OK. Now open empty box and type your link firesticklab.com kodi.apk. And click on go button. KODI will start downloading in few seconds. It's depending on your internet connection. After KODI downloaded, it will show the installation section. So just click on install button. Now KODI has been installed on our Firestick. So you open KODI from here and also from home. And after installing KODI, click on done button and delete backup file because we don't need this anymore. Now go back home screen by pressing remote home button and here hold the remote home button for a few seconds. Now click on apps and here you will find all apps that is installed on our Firestick device. So hover to KODI and open it. As this we have now installed latest KODI version on our Amazon Firestick device, and I hope this video was really helpful for you, and please don't forget to click on like button, share button and subscribe button. And if you have any question then comments on below. I will see you guys next video. Take care.